Seguimos con más Escala Clásica conociendo los detalles de cómo vio la luz el 760.
Design details can wait. We can use the rest of this year to finalize those. Production engineers, systems engineers, and consumers must also have a say. This is probably the most exciting stage. Naturally, it would be best if we had only one line to follow, but every solution provides a series of alternatives, which must be balanced with the alternatives from other solutions. It's a gigantic jigsaw puzzle in logic. Sometimes it gets out of hand, and we don't really know what happened. We are going to produce a car which can be made and can be sold.
The first full-scale wind tunnel tests in England are now finished. They agree with our own scale model tests at home in Gothenburg. We're well ahead with air resistance, perhaps a little better than expected. We're on our way to the magic limit of 0.40.
For a final check of our ideas and the car's design, it is now tested in product clinics in the United States and Western Germany. Potential customers are specially invited to comment on the cars. None of them knows where the cars come from.
We got a unanimous response. It was the right model. And the ideas behind it were revealed in the design. A car for discriminating people. Sporty, technically advanced, and safe. Those were some of the key words. But there were some criticisms too. The windscreen had too much of a slope, so it was later changed.
November the 26th, 1977. The Volvo Design Center in Gothenburg. It is now time to finalize the interior and exterior, and that's the main point on today's agenda.
Design isn't something you dump on top of a mechanical undercarriage. On the contrary, design must radiate the company's philosophy from the inside out, from engineering techniques to comfort and safety. Even the price must be visible.
That's settled. That's the way it will be. The design and dimensions of the car are approved. Everything that's visible outside and inside the car is settled. Soon, a new Volvo will be on the road. The project changes name from P31 to 1155. The inside of the car is slowly taking form. January 1978, the first prototype ready to drive. But there are still 3.5 years to go before series production. The prototype will now undergo an exhaustive testing program. But first, Volvo management will have a look at the car. Questions are asked, earlier misgivings are upheld. There's still a lot of work to do on the interior. But by and large, everyone seems satisfied.
Det är också fullkomligt fantasilöst.
Ja, här måste ju vara ordentliga uppläggsgrejer och sånt. I värsta fall får man resa upp lite.
The interior is the last thing to get its final design. Here, color and material are of decisive importance for the impression people will have of the car. Choices are planned and coordinated down to the tiniest detail. A timeless quality, which will last the lifetime of the car.
It took time, but it has to take time. You need time to get used to it, to see the car in different environments and in different colors. There must be a little resistance to it, otherwise it feels wrong somehow.
Den blev för ljus och för lik en vit, va?
In the summer, the car is in Death Valley, California. The temperature is up around 50 degrees Celsius. The main thing here is to test the climate unit, but also how fabrics, materials, gasoline and other liquids react to extreme heat.
No se vayan, que ya seguimos con más Escala Clásica.